Alright, you guys asked for it. It's back. Bt200, 301, big block swapped. We're going to put a Mikuni on it today. What millimeter is that Mikuni?
28 millimeter.
28 millimeter Mikuni, genuine Mikuni on it. And then also we got a flat, so we're going to slime the tire and hopefully that fixes it. And we're going to do some top speed runs, hopefully. See if we can get a top speed out of this thing, because you guys were asking whether, what the top speed was. And once we put the Mikuni on there, we'll see if that changes anything. Yeah, buddy. I probably got the rest of the season on this tire, but probably next year.
I'm gonna need new tires, yeah. I've already been talking about it with Brady. I'm like, I'm gonna spend the money on getting some new tires soon.
$100, $150.
Go through the summer form.
Yep.
Get the rest.
Okay.
Out of them as much
Sweet.
as I can.
Alright, so let's spin this thing. Well, actually, let's get it running. Let's see if it starts. Well, let's check the oil. How's the oil level? Because we gotta actually do we gotta do a
Pre-run.
yeah, we gotta see if we can get a top speed.
Well, it's definitely still got oil on there.
Okay. Ooh, still nice and clean too.
Yeah, it's super clean.
I guess it's only been on one ride.
One real ride, yeah.
Yeah. So when I do these, I like to stand the bike up, so that way you get like a full, accurate measurement.
Yeah, it's still like at least half.
Oh, you got plenty. Yeah, we're good.
Cool.
Yep. Solid.
Love it.
Let's see if this sucker stops. On. Choke. On. Alright, so we're going to take it out. We're going to get a top speed run, hopefully. Yep. I'll just follow you in the car, wherever we're going. And I'll film our top speed run. Put GPS on.
I wonder if it's open.
All right. This is a good run. Okay. Miles per hour. Start trip. All right. I'm not sure if it's going to work when I turn the screen off, so just put it in your pocket. For a rip, see what it'll do. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo! Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, that's about 44 miles an hour. And another shot. Oh geez, hit the brakes. Yeah, it was definitely topped out. I could hear it. 45. Okay, that's a good baseline. 45 miles an hour. 45 miles an hour. Now, I don't know if the carb is actually going to change the top speed of it, but that's what we're going to find out. Definitely should be at least seat of your pants should be faster. And I'm thinking it'll pick up a couple miles an hour. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to take this thing apart. Got a cool little boot here, made in Italy. This boot is really nice.
Is it a kind of a one-size-fit-all technique?
No, it's a tapered one. It's perfect for this. Mine was like a one-size-fit-all where you have to...
Yeah.
Oh.
Valencia.
Johnny, be nice. Chalk, yeah.
Yes, here. Yes, go play right there in front of the van.
Johnny some chalk. Johnny, you want some chalk?
Johnny,
Chalk it up.
okay.
No linkage.
Love it.
No linkage necessary.
Chase, you be careful.
Oh yeah, everything's looking good, buddy. Who's this?
Rubble.
Rubble?
Yeah.
Rubble. I found rubble on the ground. Tell the truth. Chill. Be like that. Write that down. Chill. One goes up. Chill. Get the brake. Man, this thing is becoming a beast. Okay, speedometer app. Let's reset. Yes, resetting. Waze? No. Alright, this is it. Predictions.
I'm saying at least 50.
Saying 50, gonna pick up 5 miles an hour?
I'm hoping so.
Okay, I hope so.
Give her.
I'm gonna
Give
say
her a
51.
juice. Just one?
I'm gonna say 51.
51.
I'm gonna give you 6 miles an hour.
Whew. Let's do it.
Remember, you're gonna have to give us the butt dyno. Oop, here, just give it a little.
A little bit of
Okay.
jazz.
What's it doing?
The one kind of like bogs about halfway, and then as soon as you get past the halfway,
It just takes
starts
off.
Going.
Okay,
I didn't even. I
so
don't think I hit top end yet.
that means we need to adjust the needle. All right, pull her back in. We got a tune. Let's see. And here, let me take it for a quick little. I just want to feel it.
Absolutely.
I need to feel it. You need to feel what's going on.
Feel the rhythm, feel the ride.
here's what we're gonna do. Let's throw the jets in and let's see what that does.
See what happens.
Yep. So the factory one is a 180 and this is a 250. That's a huge jump.
That's a big jump.
That is a big jump. So let's throw the pilot in there. Run it. See what it does. Or the main jet. Grab the brake. Don't kill yourself trying to set a speed record. Ooh, I got 3 miles an hour already. Alright, here we go. So we put that 250 jet in there and it's running great. It rips. It absolutely rips. Now you really need a brake upgrade.
Oh yeah.
How's the butt dyno?
It's very, very
Way faster.
quick. I hit 50, or I hit 40, but I'm not even hitting top.
No.
I gotta
Just take it for a ride. Take it someplace safe. Even if you just go around and run through there once.
Yeah, I think I'm going
Take
to.
my phone. Yeah, be safe. It's a lot faster, right? You saw some other mini bikers?
Yeah, down on the main road there. They're like, fuck, I'm like hanging on going down.
All right, what does it say?
51.
51. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take that.
Yeah. Hey, that's what I said. I said 51.
Did right on the money.
Oh my God. So we picked up 6 miles an hour. Not only that though, it's scary now, isn't it?
It is quick.
It's quick.
It's quick. It gets up there fast.
Yes. We need to do a front brake.
Yes. My braking is that quick now.
Very.
But it is fun.
Yes. Helmet. It's a necessity.
Yeah, when you're hitting almost double speed limit on that road.
For
Yeah.
Penelope. Dude, I don't know what it is. I think you might got everybody beat.
Oh.
It's a ripper, dude. Like, this feels faster than Nessie.
Really?
Yeah. It's a ripper.
You have the speedometer on?
Oh my god, yeah, we'll see.
You're a little bit of a lighter weight.
Oh, well, not much. I gotta get, Jesus. Gotta get Chris on there.
I know, right? Get a real lightweight on there.
I was ripping it pretty good for a second there. Oh no. Where is it? 51, so I didn't beat it, so nice. Yeah, it's about right. Dude, that's pretty good though.
I'm happy.
That's fast.
Yeah.
Wow, I am super impressed. So, so does this have a 60 or a 50 on it still?
Tooth?
Yeah.
It's a 60.
It's a 60, okay. So we have a stock 301 with a header, a Mikuni 28 millimeter flat slide, and a 60 tooth sprocket. And it does 51 miles an hour and pulls hard. It'll do trails, it'll do everything. If you put a 50 tooth sprocket on it, it would do 60.
You think so?
Yeah.
A smaller one?
But we don't want that.
Yeah, that's
no.
A little small, yeah.
Yeah, this goes plenty fast. 51 miles an hour is enough.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah. All right, this thing turned out great. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.